Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And today we got a watch face that we think you just might like. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And today we got an awesome watch face to take a look at by an awesome developer. And the name of the watch face is called SzaZs Runner. Very nice looking watch face, right? Now, if you're into exercise and keeping up with your step status, floors climb, things of that nature, this is definitely going to be the watch face for you. If you're a weekend warrior and you get down on the weekend with exercising, you want to download this one out of the Gear Manager store. Let's take a look at this. In the always on mode, you're going to get the same look as you would if the watch face is on. When it's on, I'm liking the look, but most of all, I like the fact that it gives me my step status in big, bold numbers. As you can see, I got down today 25,000 steps. I did good. At the top, you get the day of the week and get your battery info, floors climb, heart rate, calories burned. You can set an alarm, check your step status. You go in and check out miles walked or ran. Down at the bottom, you will get your digital time, which is very vital and important. You need that. And you also get the date down at the bottom along with a little second hand, little red dot that kind of pulls everything together. But if you take a deeper look behind, deep in the background, you can see some stars floating around. You got a little animation going on there. I thought that was definitely a nice touch by the developer. And you can customize the color of this watch face. Got quite a few to change from. Just double tap till you get to the one you like. And voila, that's it. Just keep double tapping. I'm gonna cycle through a couple more just so you can see what you're gonna be in for when you download this watch face. And yes, it is interactive. If I tap here, I can go in and get my apps. And if I tap here, I can go in and get more of my step status info at will. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. If it was, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.